In this video, we'll be discussing what manual and automated software testing are and what the differences are between the two. Manual testing is a process of finding and reporting defects in software by running test cases manually. Manual testing is done by human testers who follow a set of test cases to validate the functionality of the software. This process involves running the software and identifying any bugs, defects, or usability issues. Manual testing can be time-consuming as it requires a physical human to run through all the test cases manually. However, it can be useful for testing small, simple applications or testing user experience-related features. Automated testing is the process of finding and reporting defects in software by using software tools that run automated test scripts. These tests are created to simulate user actions, and the software tool can identify any bugs, defects, or usability issues itself. Automated testing can be faster and more efficient than manual testing, as the software tool can run through the test cases quickly. It can also be useful for testing larger, complex applications and testing the functionality of the software itself. Automated testing basically means that there is someone who understands how to code that is writing software to test software. The main difference between manual and automated tests is the way that tests are run. Manual testing requires human testers to run through test cases and identify bugs, while automated testing uses software tools to run the test cases. Manual testing is more time-consuming and can be more prone to human error, as the tester needs to run through each test case manually themselves, whereas automated testing is much more efficient and can run through the test cases quickly and accurately. However, automated testing requires more setup time and effort to create the test scripts, while manual testing can be done quickly and easily with very little setup. Automated testing can also miss certain bugs or defects that require human judgment or experience to identify. For example, if you were a manual tester and you were told to test the login functionality of a website, you would type in a username, type in a password, click the login button, see what happens. Does anything go wrong? What happens if you type in an incorrect password? If you get logged in, then that's a defect. Whereas with automated testing, you would be writing scripts to click on the username field, type in the username, click on the password field, type in the password, and then identify the login button and click the login button. In conclusion, manual testing is the process of finding and reporting defects in software by running test cases manually, while automated testing uses software tools to run the test cases automatically. Manual testing is much more time-consuming and prone to human error, while automated testing is more efficient and accurate, requires more setup time and effort. The choice between the two depends on the specific needs of the project and the preference of the testing team.